Even though we didn't get any new phones or tablets at Samsung's recent Galaxy Unpacked 2 event, the company is working on a number of new mobile devices that should be available in the coming months. We have all the latest information on what Samsung is planning in this video, so keep watching. Also do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. One of the gadgets Samsung is working on is the Galaxy Tab S8 flagship tablet, which was recently visualized in high-quality renders for the first time via online leakers, OnLeaks and Zutan. The renders aren't official Samsung products, so they may not be completely accurate, but they appear to be based on leaked dimensions and features. In other words, outside of looking at leaked official press renders, this is probably the closest we'll ever get to seeing the final design before the official presentation, even if they're not 100% accurate. The Galaxy Tab S8 appears to be nearly identical to the Galaxy Tab S7 in these renders. The bezels appear to be about the same size, while prior speculations indicate that the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which has yet to be seen in renders, will have reduced bezels thanks to the recently improved border reduction structure technology. The Galaxy Tab S8's base model appears to include a dual-camera configuration similar to the one found on the Galaxy Tab S7's back. In reality, the location of the magnetic S Pen holder is the key design feature that distinguishes the two tablets. The S Pen location on the Galaxy Tab S8 no longer merges in with the camera housing, and it resembles the Galaxy Tab S6 in appearance. Due to a global semiconductor scarcity, the launch of the Galaxy Tab S8 series is uncertain, and rumor has it that the Ultra model will be extremely tough to come by. In the upcoming weeks, we should have more information concerning this device, so I encourage you to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification, so that you don't miss a thing, because we post new videos every day.